You guys go.
Go inside. Go find them.
Yeah. See if you can find it.
See if you can find it, Mom. You gotta look hard. Yay! Separate. How many are they finding? 6 each. There's an orange one right there.
And I've seen like 5 already.
There's one.
Keep looking, Riley. Split up, split up.
Look high, look low.
Look on this side.
Kind of easy. And you said no.
Riley, look over here.
There's like 1 or 2 that are hard.
There's a
Yep, look on this side. See if you can find one over here.
Look high.
Look by the
I'll
chair,
leave it.
Charlie. Riley, look at the little chair. The little baby chair.
You see the baby chair over there?
Chair.
the gray one. Woohoo!
Woo!